Changing your primary admin on BetterHelp is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Log in. Access your BetterHelp account by entering your credentials on the website or app. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make administrative changes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings section. This is usually found in the profile menu or dashboard. Click on it to access various account management options. Step 3. Select admin management. In the account settings, look for an option labeled admin management or something similar. This section allows you to manage your admin roles and permissions. Step 4. Choose the new primary admin. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting the new primary admin, review the changes and confirm your selection. You may receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the update. Once you've completed these steps, the new primary admin will have full access to manage the account. Always ensure that you communicate any changes to your team for a seamless transition.